Hello students, this is an explanation of how to do AA4. For that you need these 3 steps. I hope you wrote them down in your notes. After you repeat them a few times, you'll just memorize it. Okay, I'm going to do this one first. First step is to draw 2 parentheses with whatever variables there. In this case is S and S. We're done with step 1. Step 2 says look at factors of C that add up to B. Well, C in this case, as you know, is the third term. So in this case would be 23. Factors of 23 are going to be 1 times 23. And that's not 3. 3. And then that's it. Nothing else multiplies to 23. And do those two numbers add up to 24? Yes. So I'm doing 1 and 23. We're done with step 2. Last step is to make sure the signs are correct. So one way of doing that is just thinking, okay, is it positive 1 plus positive 23 gives us positive 24? Yes. Another way of thinking of it is just if this number is positive, you're going to have the same sign, and this tells you what sign that is. They're both going to be positive. Does that make sense? There's another slide explaining that. When this is positive, you have the same sign, and then you look over here to see what sign that is. If it was negative, it would be different signs. And then you would look at this number to tell you what the bigger number is. But I don't want to confuse you. For now, this is the answer. I'm going to do this second one really quick. Again, I'm just going to start with 2 parentheses, step 1, and then the variable, which is x and x. Step 2, I'm looking at factors of this number, which is 2 times 1. And do those add up to 3? Yes. 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So that's how I know it's correct, and then they both need to be positive. If you want to triple check, you want to make sure you have the right answer before you submit, you can also FOIL. X times x is x squared. 1 times 2 is positive 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So you have it right. Good job, guys. Just keep trying until you get them all right, and this is going to be easy. The next one, AA5, is based on this idea, but a little bit more complicated. So that one is a little bit harder, but you got this.